likes fashion. She likes fashion.
Hi everyone, my name is Ojimba Loretta. Welcome to Plugtv. I am your Gele stylist today, and today I'll be teaching you on how to tie Gele with the Ashoke Gele. There are different types of Gele. We have the paper Gele and then we have the Ashoke Gele. Ashoke Gele is common among Yoruba people and common among Yoruba brides, common among Owambe, Lagos Owambe, Nigeria Owambe generally. I'm not categorically saying that it is only Yoruba people that uses Ashoke, but it is common among Yoruba people. So stay tuned. I'll be demonstrating today's Gele with this Gele with me. This Gele with me is quite long, and the full length starting from here down is measured as 100%. From the top to the bottom is 100%. So folding it into two will give me 50%, which we call 50-50. I'm going to fold this two, the second half, the second 50, I'm going to fold it into two to give me 75-35. In this 75-25. In this measurement, what I need is 30-70. That is, I need 30% measurement here, and I need 70% of the Gele at the longer part of the Gele. I'm sorry. So I'm just going to place this part on my lap. I'm going to place this part, and then I'm going to measure, straighten my hand to get the 5%, and I'm going to start my Gele tying from here. So this part is going to be towards my left hand side, and this part is going to be towards my right hand side. This is my own way of tying Gele. I would like to add, there is no particular way of tying. Different things works for different people. So this is what works for me. Please kindly enjoy the way I tie. Oops, before I forget, with me here is Pleats by Safat. She is going to be my model for today. Thank you very much. So I'm going to make some pleats. I'm going to place it on her head. So I'm making 3 pleats for the beginning, and I'm placing it on a forehead here, like this, right on the hairline. I'm going to fold 1, 2. I'm going to have the tail of my Gele come together in the middle. I'm going to fold here to define the pleats. So I'm pulling this, I'm opening this part so I can have space to pull. So I'm going to be holding with this hand to compress it so that it doesn't fall off, and I'm going to start arranging my pleats again from here. Okay, so this is the outcome of the Gele. And right now she's ready to rock her owambe. She's ready to rock her events, a party, a outing, and everything. And this Gele too could be used by a bride. But it's just that the difference between this and the bridal one is that the bridal one has some embellishments on it, usually stones and pebbles, and sometimes glitters, whatever design they wish to put on it. But this is the same fabrics most brides make use of. The difference is just the embellishment. This Gele is called 1 million pleats, and the reason why it's called 1 million pleats is because the pleats are till infinity, till the end of the Gele. So it is not up to 1 million actually, but you know, it's just like a way of exaggerating 1 million, so that you can understand that it is still infinity. So it is endless, the pleat is endless. That is why it's called 1 million pleats. And it is totally round Gele and portable. Hope you enjoyed our class. Stay tuned to Plug TV. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. I'm going for my owambe, you know.
Like Dashi.